Different vehicles, different brakes. To grease the brakes, first remove the wheels of the corresponding axle. Remove the brake calipers and linings. Then clean the system. Determine the dimension. On this 253 vehicle, brake discs with the dimensions 320 by 24 are mounted on the rear axle. To lubricate, use Kluber paste. Apply with a brush on the areas shown on the lining carrier. The caliper finger on the piston housing and on the housing edge must also be lubricated. Replace the linings when necessary. Installation is in the reverse order.